Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, we're back outside today, and tell you it's a beautiful day, a little warm, but hey, we can work through that. So, guys, I got a treat today. I'm back out here. I'm cooking on the Weber Kettle, and not just that, I'm cooking on the Weber Rotisserie. It's been a while since I've used that. I'm really excited about this cook. It's going to be a little interesting. We're doing whole chickens, but we're doing 2 whole chickens, and I've never set 2 chickens up on this, so this could be a treat for us all. So, let's go in, guys. Let's go get this chicken prep. This thing going. Okay guys, I got 2 whole chickens here. We're gonna cook one for dinner tonight. I'm cooking both of them. One I'm just gonna pull into pulled chicken for future use, maybe another future video that you might see down the road. But we're gonna cook one of these up and just have a nice little chicken dinner tonight, so it should be fun. These are roughly, one I think is just slightly over 5 pounds, the other one's like 5.5 pounds. I think that's the 5.5 pounder. And I don't know how much of this I'm gonna show you because, to be honest, I'm not the best at trusting a chicken, but I can get the job done, I promise. I keep trying some fancy stuff, but it's never seemed to get it right. So that. Cut it and get some more sharper scissors. Take another piece right in here. Tie these thighs up, hold everything together. That's how I do it. Turn her around. Turn my wings in. Another piece. I might retie that one, I think. And behind that neck. Pull my wings in tight. Trim and trim. I'll retie that off camera. I don't like how that looks. Another spit here, and it's going to be interesting. I'm going to see how this goes. I'll get her all seasoned up here in just a second. I don't know how much I'm going to need, so here. I think I get all the water drained out. I found out I'm highly wrong. We'll see how this goes. Okay, I've got my mister here. And it's just got some olive oil in it, and I'm gonna spray this whole chicken. Ooh. Rub her down real good. And just gonna use some Montreal chicken seasoning. Used that plenty of times before. I love this stuff on these chickens. Over. Get this side up with a little oil. Okay guys, I'm gonna go tend to this fire and we'll get this thing going. Alright, let's see what we got here. Did not do a whole charcoal basket or a whole chimney. get back in there. Throw in my cooking pan. I'll catch some of the cleanup. Bring our rotisserie riser. Beautiful. I'm gonna shoot for a target temp in the 350 degree range for this. I'm expecting about a 2-hour cook. We'll see how long it takes. All right. Slightly over the 350 mark, but I think we can control that. Let's get this bad boy on here. That's centered a little better than I thought it would be. This thing's spinning. And hope I did a good enough job. You never know with me. Hey guys, I got one piece of apple wood. We'll check back here in a little while. Okay guys, we've been on for about an hour. Let's take our first look. Would you look at that? I'm losing some temps, so I do want to address that. But because we're here, I'm going to check the temperature. I'm looking for about 160. Ooh, turn it on, dummy. We're not too far away, guys. 140. Back here in the leg and thighs. Guys, we're not that far away. I'm happy to say. Check this guy. We're in the 140s there. It's a little hard to see, but I'm going to add a little bit more charcoal because I am losing some temps. I'm going to shake up some of the excess off. Get out of there. I'm not going to add any more wood to this. I'll probably check back in maybe a half hour or so. Now that will be very close. Okay folks, we're roughly 90 minutes into this. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that goodness? Get this over here. I want to check some temps. Definitely 160, 60. Oh yeah, we're done there in the breast for sure. Yeah, most definitely. Look at them clear juices. Guys, let me pull this out, and I'm gonna go inside and we'll cut one of these up for you. Okay, let's see if I can get this out of here. It's setting for a few minutes. Don't they look gorgeous? Always take one for the team. Look at that. Let's pull this spit right on out of here. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know about you. Those are some couple beautiful birds. Well, I'm gonna cut one of these up. The rest is gonna be pulled. I think I'm gonna cut the smaller one up, to be quite honest with you. So we'll pull the larger one for another cook. So let's get busy on that. All right, guys, let's do some cutting here. Alright folks, let's finish this thing up. That piece of chicken, that skin kind of fell off there. That is on spot. I only added that one piece of wood. That's really all it needed for these, because they're not real big chickens. So that's really all it needed. I just wanted this part of charcoal on the rest of it. Turned out really good, guys, moist. I'm gonna pull a piece of this wing that I destroyed. Skin is crisp. Perfect. Love it, guys. Guys, thank you. What a mess. On that napkin. Wow, rotisserie chicken. I successfully did 2. I wasn't sure how that was gonna go, but it wasn't bad at all. Once I got a position on the right, everything went good. So guys, thank you. As always, hit that like button for us if you don't mind, and subscribe to us if you haven't already. And furthermore, hit that bell down there. It'll let you know every time we post a video. Folks, until next time, God bless. We will see you very soon. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.